How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat? Launch a Snapchat app and proceed to your camera page. Now select the chat icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Here you need to navigate to the search icon at top left corner of your screen and type in their username or full name. So if they don't appear, they may have blocked you. Also, if you are in the same group, you can easily tap on the group name. Then you can easily go ahead and select their member name at top of your screen and look for it. And then you can simply tap on the add button and try adding them. If you can, that's the another sign. But if you can, then they might not have blocked you. So you can easily ask for a mutual friend as well. Have a friend search for the username. If they find them but you are likely been blocked. So these are all the signs and symptoms of being blocked on a Snapchat. So you need to know that there is no specific button or icon that represents if someone blocked you on a Snapchat. So these are only the signs you can check for that and know if someone blocked. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.